welcome back to the channel. If you're new, we're Scarlett and Seth, and we live in a van with our two cats, Lula and Sasha. Today, we just arrived to Vancouver, and we are going to attempt to stealth camp in the city of Vancouver tonight.
It's been a long time since we've been in a big city, so it was quite intense driving the van here. I don't think we've actually ever parked in a city in this van, but yes, safely parked. And yeah, we're excited to do a little city van life, but we actually have to get some work done. So we're gonna head to the library first thing, which is just a block away. And I don't know, it looks like a cool library.
What do you think of city van life, little guy? This is our front door view right here. Pretty cool. Bye, ladies. Oh, the promised land.
I actually love cities. I grew up in New York, so I'm on the escalator and I'm stressed. So I grew up in New York and actually love cities. So I really love being here. I just love all the people and I just love all the people and the diversity. So very happy to be here.
Oh, you're so far away.
I know.
Welcome to the Vancouver Public Library. I'm uploading what will be last week's YouTube video. Go check that out if you haven't already watched it. It's a banger. I don't know if it's a banger, but hopefully you enjoy it. Public libraries have fast internet, and in the city, Starlink doesn't work. The other thing I have to do is get this thumbnail done, which, by the way, if you like the thumbnails, like the video. It says 3 minutes left, and I just started this upload 2 minutes ago. For context, Starlink takes me maybe 3.5 hours to upload a single YouTube video. Library internet speeds are always just like so fast.
I freaking love libraries. We don't come to libraries enough. I feel like we always go to coffee shops, and honestly, we need to do more libraries. I'm not getting any work done. I'm just watching the sunset.
These are the views. That's our little office right over there.
So we actually had one of our friends in the area show us around the city. And I think the fun thing about van life is like when you don't live in a place and you get to come here and experience it for such a short amount of time, you actually go out and you see it and you experience it. I don't know, we're just taking it all in.
Just finished up our work here at the library, and we are now headed back to the van. All right, ladies, let's cook some dinner. Let's cook some dinner. One of the things we have to be very aware of when we're camped in a city like this is that we don't get that much solar, so we don't actually have that much power to cook dinner tonight, which brings me to the sponsor of today's video, Anker Solix.
One of my favorite things about our Anker Solix C1000 is that it recharges to 100% in just 58 minutes in ultra-fast charge mode and only takes a small percentage of our house batteries to do it. It also has smart app control and a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection to easily check the status of the power station. With 600 watts solar input that charges the bank fully in 1.8 hours, 11 ports with 1056 watt-hour capacity, and an 1800 watt output, we can even use larger devices like our 1800 watt oven purely on portable power. The Anker Solix C1000 is also more compact than other power stations with a similar capacity and only weighs 12 kilograms or 26 pounds, so it's great for such a small space. It also has a longer life cycle than other power stations with a 10-year 3000 charge cycle and a drop-proof design, which is great for driving down bumpy roads and van life in general.
This portable power station could also be used as your entire electrical system in a van. It could save you tons of money and a lot of time during setup, and you can even double the capacity to 2,112 watts with an expansion battery. Whether you're living in a van, DIYing, or just need some portable power, grab the Black Friday deal now. Enjoy huge savings on the Anker Solix C1000. Check out the link in the description and don't miss out on this deal. Thank you to Anker Solix for sponsoring today's video and for powering our oven tonight so we can enjoy these bowls in downtown Vancouver. Let's see how they came out. cooked those for 45 minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, 39%. This thing really rips. We've used it quite a bit, but never on something this big. It's really impressive that this can run this oven at 1800 watts for that long and only lose about 60%. So I'm super stoked on that. Tonight on the menu, we have these little power bowls, which basically consists of rice, some spinach, some roasted kale, roasted potato, black beans, roasted up chickpeas, some avocado, some apple, and some cranberries. Cheers.
Thank you.
God, dude, I can't get it. I can't get it.
So,
oh, perfect. Nailed it. We gotta keep the lights dim tonight. We're stealth camping right in downtown.
Sasha's in there.
Sasha. Baby Sasha.
You're not helping.
Everybody go tell Lula she's perfect in the comments. Let me see that little handlebar. We're about ready to head to bed. Hopefully we make it through the night. What do you think, baby? Think we got it?
Well, we'll make it through the night.
Oh, I mean, yeah, we'll make it through the night, but I'm saying hopefully we don't get, like, the knock.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't have to leave. We did actually get the knock last night near a Walmart, which was kind of weird, but hopefully that doesn't happen again. Do you want to say goodnight to the vlog? Come say goodnight.
Good night, vlog.
Good night, vlog.
Good night, vlog. I'm still in like all my cozy clothes because we don't want to turn the heater on because it makes noise. So
Yeah. Anyway, we're going to bed. We'll catch you in the morning.
in the morning.
Oh.
It's so bright.
Good morning. I slept terribly. It was so loud.
It was pretty loud. I can't see anything. I can't.
Me neither. I mean, I knew it was going to be loud because we're basically just on the street, but it was very loud. I woke up like every time a car passed, but we made it. We stealth camped in Vancouver. It was sick.
Yeah.
I'm excited. It's 6 a.m. We got our cycling class this morning.
You can hear the truck.
They're like right there. I mean, they're like 3 feet that way. So we got Chunklage over here in the bed, baby. We got the baby over there sitting on the LL Bean bag. Hey, baby. Good morning.
All right.
Just got done with our class here at Duke Fit Studios. Very intense. My first cycling class ever. I definitely see why people get into it. Super glad we got the opportunity to do that. Shout out to our friend Alyssa. Appreciate it.
Just a city girl.
A city girl in a city world. Now we're heading back to the van and the ladies.
Which I don't know how that instructor brought so much enthusiasm at like 7 a.m.
Yeah, it's crazy. And the absolute best part of stealth camping in the city last night is that right up the block right here.
I literally went to class in my clogs because that's how close we were. You can't go out. You want breakfast? You want breakfast, my ladies? You want breakfast? Where's your bowl? Get your bowl. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Please be patient. For you, come over here.
Here you go, ma'am.
Thank you. We actually made coffee earlier this morning and then we were like late to class and got stressed, so we didn't even drink it. So this is reheated coffee that I will now be drinking. So the plan for the day, I'm gonna go get my hair done, which I don't get my hair done. That's why I cut it short. I'm gonna go have a little city day. I don't have like I don't know what to tell her, what to do with it. I'm just gonna like leave it up to her. So it's only a 5-minute walk. How fun is that?
Oh, that's amazing.
That's so fun.
It's so fun to be in a city,
It's
huh?
like our little hub. I just love it. Oh, it's so different and new. Like to be able to walk to somewhere is very cool. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye, ladies.
Look at the ladies. Wow, so cute. Oh, such cute sisters. Welcome to the very busy downtown Vancouver area where we slept last night. It's been pretty cool to stay in a city again. A very different change of pace. Today we're headed back to the US. Canada has been probably the most memorable part of this trip. It's just been an incredible experience here. We've timed the weather perfectly, so we just missed a ton of snow in Alberta. It's just getting crispy and cold out here. And it's getting to that time of year where we're gonna start heading back and see some family on the east coast of the US. Vancouver's really cool. It's up there. It's up there for sure. Climate's cool, the mountains. We saw some seaplanes take off yesterday. Oh, also, I can't wait to see Scarlett's new hair. Who else is excited? All right, let's get back in the van. It's cold. The van is a bit of a wreck right now, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit while I have it all to myself in here, because that's always nice to do. I don't exactly know what to do with this. Throw it in the shower. That's the answer we're looking for, baby cat. I'm not sure what it is you think you need. What do you need? Sasha really wants to go outside, and unfortunately, this is just not a good spot for her at all. I know that she would get overwhelmed instantly if she went outside, and she would be very scared. She's really upset. It always makes me so sad when she's sad like this. Hey, baby.
Okay, thank you. Oh, come on. Guys.
What? Why is the beanie on?
Because it's cold.
Let's see.
Hold on. I need to style it.
You need to style it.
I'm trying to recreate what she did in the salon. Okay, so basically we cleaned up the back here, and then she did like a shaggy bang here. Her name is Hannah. She does like more edgier cuts, and I'm obsessed. She lives in her van full time in Vancouver here. 10 out of 10 recommend. She was so cute and fun. We got the shag bob look going on. I told her like, do whatever. I trust you because she knows what she's doing, so.
Super cute, baby.
Also, shout out to all y'all who send us recommendations on Instagram. We went to a spin class this morning with someone who we met on Instagram, and I just got my hair cut by someone who we met on Instagram. I don't know, social media can feel very isolating, but I like turning like it into real world connections. It's very cool.
I think the move is we're going to an all-vegan bakery, right? Is that what we're doing? Oh, don't worry, you look cute. Don't worry, you look cute. All right, let's go to the bakery. We don't even need to go. There's a loaf right here. Oh, that's actually a pretty nice loaf. I'm not gonna lie. The baby cat doesn't do the best loaves, like pretty shoddy loaves usually. That's not half bad. Vote below the form on this loaf out of 10.
The ladies up. Come on, ladies.
Ladies, come on, ladies. Hi.
All right. This is the most stressful part of the city.
City camping.
Yeah. Bye, Vancouver.
Bye, Vancouver. Wow.
I'm so sad.
I know. It's been so fun. Wow, Vancouver. I would say one of the top cities we've been to.
Yeah. We'll get the train.
Maybe we won't. Ow. She just bit me. We're like wedged between these two trucks right now.
Yeah, this is the stressful part about city van life. Oh my God. We're so wide too. Look at how close my mirror is. No.
Yeah, that is pretty close. That one's really close. Whoa. Bye, Vancouver. There's our little vegan bakery place.
Canada has been a real beauty. Like, I don't want to leave.
It's been good. It's been like a really solid leg of the trip.
I don't like have any desire to necessarily go back to the States, but we are today. I like Seattle, and we have a lot of friends in Seattle, so that'll be cool to see some people we know, but
I will miss Canada.
I know.
I know.
I remember crossing into Canada, and it felt like ages ago.
All right, here we are at the border.
Oh my God,
Good.
How long have we been in Canada? 3 weeks. We're going to Seattle we've been here not for work, just for pleasure. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
What was the purpose of the trip to Canada?
Just for fun, just to visit, travel.
What's home for you?
We live in our van full time.
Can you turn off the van?
Yep.
For a second? Have you the key?
Yep.
I'm just gonna open the side door, make sure there's no one else in there.
For sure.
It's this right here. They're making sure we don't have anyone else in here.
Nice setup you guys saw.
Thank you,
Yeah,
appreciate it.
perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. We made it. We?
He liked our van.
Oh, what you got over there?
It's a nice 7 gallons of pee.
That's real
Put it
nice.
in our little stealthy Target bag, and we're gonna go dump it.
Okay, bye, have fun.
Life things.
While Scarlett's out dumping our pee, I'm gonna give you all the rundown on what I think we're gonna do. I think we are going to head down into Bellingham, Washington. We have van life friends who have always said it's a really great place to stay in a van. And since we've been in a lot of places that are not that accessible to van life, I think it'll be nice to stay somewhere for like a week or so. That's a little easier to park and a little easier to stay. Decided to take a little evening walk out here in this forest.
We've been traveling pretty fast, so I think we're gonna hang here for a week or so, maybe longer.
Definitely feels nice to be settled, especially after the city.
If you haven't, take 3 deep breaths today and try to get outside, even if it's for 5 minutes.
Hi, babies.
One of our van life friends gave us a spot recommendation. It's only 4 minutes from here.
Perks of having other nomad friends.
Hello.
Hello?
Just made it to our spot. Fire spot, by the way. So 10 out of 10. You know, we already got Chipotle today back in the States. And pro tip, get a bowl with a burrito in the bottom. That way you can roll up a little burrito to go. That's going to be it for today's video, the vlog. Thank you for watching. Thanks for liking, commenting, all of that. It's been really cool to engage with this kind of new community. We'll catch you next week on Friday.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.